Keep dancing.
I seriously just.
Now, how amazing is Z Factory?
It's so amazing that I think I could sleep to it because it's that good. It just put me right to sleep.
I wake up to it.
So soothing.
I wake up
Well,
to
like
it.
with bands that I really, really like, I can fall asleep to them like that because their voices
You can
are
fall asleep
so
to
amazing.
Love Struck. It just
It
makes you
makes
want
you
to dance. And if you don't dance during Love Struck, you're weird.
And it's like, don't you get up and dance? Love Struck.
Oh wait, that's cool. We need Mr. Green to walk in.
I need to sing it. We need to sing it.
Wait, we'll listen to this and then we'll see a bunch of crap. Don't look at my emails. Okay. Woo! The best site in the world.
Say hi to the computer.
Say hi to the computer?
Hi to the computer.
I
No,
should.
wrong way, hold on.
Hi to the computer. Okay.